National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Houston or near Kingwood, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kingwood and Lake Houston around 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Dayton around 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or